Former President Donald Trump is currently embroiled in a civil case in New York, initiated by the state's Attorney General's office. The case alleges fraud against Trump, his three eldest children, and the Trump Organization, primarily centered on the inflation of asset values. While not a criminal trial, Trump's demeanor in the courtroom has raised eyebrows, suggesting a strategic move to leverage the situation for political gain. Reports from the courtroom indicate that Trump, along with his three eldest children, has testified, with the former president choosing to grandstand during his time on the witness stand. Despite attempts by Judge Arthur Engoron to rein in the political rhetoric, Trump persisted in making inflammatory statements. Legal experts, including University of Michigan law professor Barbara McQuaid, have characterized Trump's behavior as a performance aimed at crafting a narrative for his supporters. McQuaid notes that Trump's strategy seems geared toward presenting himself as a victim of a biased legal system, setting the stage to claim persecution if the case doesn't swing in his favor. Ken White, a lawyer, analyzed the case on his podcast, highlighting that Trump's actions do not align with a typical legal defense strategy focused on winning the case. Instead, White sees it as a deliberate effort to discredit the court, the judge, and the entire legal process, signaling contempt for the proceedings. The courtroom exchange, where Trump's lawyer asserted, "It's your courtroom, you need to control it," reflects the confrontational approach taken by Trump's legal team. This unconventional strategy draws parallels to historical trials like the Chicago 7, where a similar approach was adopted to challenge the legitimacy of the legal process. Despite uncertainties about the trial's conclusion, Trump faces additional legal challenges in the coming year. The unorthodox tactics employed in the New York case suggest a broader strategy of using legal proceedings as a platform for political messaging, reinforcing the divisive narrative around Trump and his legal battles.